Okay. I'm going to make some Turkish coffee, okay?
Turkish coffee time.
Yes.
It's go time.
I can park here. They don't want any coffee, so I'll just make it for the people who have been working.
So what is special about Turkish coffee?
Well,
Other than the high.
it's very digestive. After you have a big meal, if you have a small cup of Turkish coffee, your food will be digested more easily. So people usually after a big meal drink a small cup of Turkish coffee. Okay, so we measure the cups,
Okay.
the water. We are 5 people, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I need water. 1. 2. 3. 4. Okay.
Okay.
Now we need, there are 5 people, so we need 1 more. Can I have the small container? Okay. Now I put 5 cups.
And then we want to do can this be my little trial run?
You can be, yes.
Okay, I practice one.
You measure that one.
Okay. Okay, so I get the same treatment here. I'm going to get my little cup.
Yes.
Okay,
1.
perfect.
For each cup, I put 1 teaspoon of sugar. 2.
Okay, so I go there. Now,
3.
we're keeping the heat off for now, right?
No, I'm putting the heat on now.
Okay, and I need the sugar as well. Would you pass that?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon
Yes.
of sugar. That's about right?
Yes.
Bada bing. Okay.
That's good. We need coffee now.
She's next on the coffee, I think. And we let her use the teaspoon. And she's got me on high. It looks like our temperature's on medium low. So 3.5 or 4 out of 10. So 1, 2, 3.
I hope it won't flood.
And 4. Okay.
And 1 spoon for you.
Okay. Now, is it going to taste better if you put it in mine, or?
No, you can put it.
Okay.
Let me see.
Yay?
Fill, yeah. Fill it.
Feel it more.
Yeah.
There.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
And now, do I mix or no mixing?
Yeah, well, let's wait and then mix.
Okay. So there's a
Yeah.
little bit
Well,
of.
you can mix yours because you have space.
Okay.
I don't have much space.
I'm gonna grab a little spoon here. Okay, so I'm gonna mix a little bit here.
Your coffee will be faster because you have a small pot.
And is this bronze or what kind of copper?
It's copper.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what are we looking for? Are we looking for it to bubble?
Yes, I'll show you.
Okay, I'm excited
When
to
it
see
starts
that.
to bubble, don't make it over bubble.
Okay,
Because then
so kind of
Yeah, it has to be bubbly.
plop that there. I'm so fascinated by the let the water get hot underneath technique.
Yes.
Oh, I'm hearing some good sounds out of yours.
Let me see.
How am I looking there? Oh, I can start to see. I'm seeing some little bubbles there.
Okay, just don't touch it now.
Okay. Hands off. Oh, wow. You can see it starting to get like a little bit richer in color, a little bit more
Yes.
chocolatey.
Yes.
Yeah, this is fun. Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm getting some fun little bubbles on mine.
Okay. Yes, it's going to be ready pretty soon.
And do you do the trick where you put a little water in to make the grounds go down, or do you just pour it with the grounds at the bottom?
No, this is fine.
Okay, it's fine.
Yes.
You tell me. I would like that you touch it with your spoon at least once, so that if it's not good, I can blame you.
Well, I don't want to touch.
Because so far it's all me, and I'm a little concerned.
It's okay. You're okay.
Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. Oh yeah, look, I'm so excited. This is so
Yes.
fun. Yay.
Okay, now,
Okay. Just when it starts to climb on the edges.
yes. Now, you put half of it.
Okay. And let it cook again.
Mm-hmm.
And is this kind of helping the grounds settle?
Yes.
Okay, so we're helping the grounds settle down.
Yes.
Maybe I can teach you something. This will be fun. You ready?
Yes.
So out west, they use this technique called cowboy coffee.
Oh, yeah?
And it's very similar to this, very, very similar
Yes.
concept.
Yes.
And the only thing they do that's, I'd say, substantially different, one, they probably use crappy coffee. And number two is whenever it's ready, they drop a little bit of water into the hot pot, and it makes all the grounds drop to the bottom.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so when they drop it, you have and now
Now,
sugar's in there.
You don't have to mix it anymore.
Okay, so
It's all done.
so really don't touch it.
Don't touch it. No.
Okay.
Just drink it.
I'm waiting. I have to. I have to wait for you
sip
guys.
it because it's hot. Yeah, this takes a little bit more time.
Yeah. Next time we split it half, so I'm doing more of the work. I gave you more of the job to do.
No,
I
you
think.
see what we could do? We could use 2 big ones
And then.
and do, 3 and 2.
Okay.
So that would be better.
And this still needs a little time because we're looking for that
Yes.
crawl up the side.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I hope I don't.
When is the first? Is Turkish coffee you're drinking it at 5 years old, 10 years old? What's the?
Usually like a teenager, maybe.
Okay, you start 13, 14.
Something. Or 12. Depending on, the person.
Of course. But it's not a 7-year-old typically.
No, we usually don't.
Okay.
Don't give it to a
Now we're seeing that little caramelization action going
Yes,
on.
yes,
Beautiful.
yes.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yes. Oof.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's one.
We have to clean that.
Okay, I will grab it. That's 2. And then I grab number 3 and number 4. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, it's bubbling again.
Okay. Okay. I think we're ready. And I will actually turn this off, the heat down.
Yes.
Okay. Boop, boop. Gorgeous. Beautiful. To the top, no wasted goodness.
Okay, this is good.
Okay, I take this off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So now you can have your coffee all.
Okay.
All
and
of you. Where is everybody? Your coffees are ready. The coffee is ready.
All right, well,
Okay.
I guess I got to take a big sip.
Nigel, one is for you. And one is for
my
Chelsea.
gosh,
And
dude.
one is for Eileen.
Why did I not have this before the Bodek preparation? Ooh, this is yummy, yummy, yummy.
Good, I'm glad. Okay.
Esen, thank you so much.